recording?
Yep. Okay, we're testing sound for our upcoming film. And we're just seeing what it sounds like to use this audio recording system. We are using the new Marantz flash recorders to record sound. Let's see what it sounds like. Do you hear that room noise? No, because there isn't any. Luke, hit it.
What kind of a microphone are we using, Tom?
Oh, this is the new Sennheiser microphone. The refrigerator has something to say. I love when that happens.
Especially when you're filming something important.
Okay, so we don't want this really close to our face because it sounds really buzzy, but if it's really far away, not really far away, about an arm's length.
Let's try what sounds like really far away anyway.
Let's see what happens when you close your door. Now don't open it again. Okay. Hang on. So this is, let's have a little dialogue. A scene from Mice and Men. Come on in. Come in the scene. Good. Hey, can you please put the guitar down? Put the guitar down.
I like the guitar.
George, why'd you do that to those mice? So here's the new Marantz recorder, and you can see the levels right there. Levels. Listen to Luke laugh. Luke's about a 4 on the laugh meter. The 4 dot.
That's it?
Yeah.
It's kind of disappointing from my point of view.
You're generally disappointing.
I suppose so. That's what my last girlfriend said too. But
that's about it. So we'll be using this in our next 108 Films production.
Solo!